Winter decor inspired by Pottery Barn is all about creating a warm, inviting, and effortlessly elegant atmosphere. Think soft textures, warm neutrals, timeless accessories, and classic winter touches that make your home feel cozy and refined. In today's video, we're exploring the best Pottery Barn-inspired winter decor ideas that blend modern comfort with classic styling, perfect for transforming your home into a cozy winter retreat. Let's get started. 1. Layered neutral textiles. Soft beige throws, linen cushions, and knitted blankets create the signature cozy Pottery Barn look. Layering different textures adds depth and warmth, making the space feel inviting. Mixing patterns subtly within neutral tones keeps the look modern yet classic. The result is a space that feels comforting, polished, and effortlessly stylish throughout the winter season. 2. Chunky knit blankets. Thick knit blankets instantly add a comforting winter charm to your living room or bedroom. Drape them over sofas, armchairs, or beds to create an inviting and relaxing atmosphere. Their handcrafted texture adds tactile interest and visual warmth to the decor. They also create a sense of casual luxury, making your space feel both cozy and elevated. 3. Classic plaid patterns. Plaid pillows, throws, or rugs bring a timeless winter charm while adding a touch of cozy nostalgia. Muted tones like charcoal, cream, and deep reds maintain a sophisticated and modern look. Plaid also works beautifully layered with solid textures and soft neutrals for extra depth. These pieces instantly evoke warmth and seasonal style without overpowering the room. 4. Warm wood furniture. Natural wood furniture pieces, from side tables to shelving, bring earthy warmth to your home. Pottery Barn style emphasizes timeless, high-quality wood finishes that feel both rustic and refined. Wood creates a grounded, organic element that balances soft textiles and metallic accents. Its natural tones enrich the winter decor, while adding classic charm and long-lasting elegance. 5. Oversized ceramic vases. Neutral ceramic vases in simple, sculptural shapes enhance winter decor with understated elegance. They can be filled with winter greens, dried florals, or bare branches for seasonal appeal. Positioned thoughtfully, these vases act as visual anchors in your decor setup. They add height, balance, and a natural artistic touch to your cozy winter interiors. 6. Soft ambient lighting. Warm table lamps, pillar candles, and wall sconces create a gentle, inviting glow throughout the home. Layering different light sources highlights textures and adds dimension to your decor. Soft lighting instantly transforms any space into a cozy winter retreat. It also sets a relaxed, comforting mood for evenings spent indoors. 7. Faux fur accents. Faux fur rugs, throws, or pillows add a touch of luxury and tactile comfort. Their plush texture elevates the cozy winter aesthetic while remaining practical. Neutral shades keep them stylish, blending seamlessly with other decor elements. Incorporating faux fur adds warmth and sophistication, making spaces feel soft, inviting, and visually rich. 8. Winter greenery and garlands. Fresh or faux winter greenery, like eucalyptus, pine, or berries, brings life and seasonal charm indoors. These natural touches create texture, color, and a connection to the outdoors. Paired with neutral tones and soft lighting, they feel elegant and refined. Greenery also balances the warmth of textiles, wood, and metals for a harmonious winter look. 9. Neutral wreath decor. Simple wreaths in muted tones of greenery, pine cones, and white berries add understated winter charm. They can be hung on doors, mirrors, or above mantels for a seasonal focal point. Neutral wreaths complement the modern classic aesthetic without overwhelming the space. They provide a gentle seasonal accent that feels timeless, fresh, and inviting. 10. Cozy seating arrangements. Arrange sofas, armchairs, and ottomans to promote conversation and comfort during winter months. Add plush cushions and throws to encourage warmth and relaxation. Thoughtful layouts create a welcoming atmosphere that invites guests and family to linger. Cozy seating also enhances the overall flow of the room while maintaining a stylish and balanced aesthetic. 11. Stone and metal accents. Decor pieces in matte gold, black metal, or natural stone provide sophistication and contrast. These materials balance soft textures like wool, linen, and faux fur with modern structure. Stone and metal add subtle luxury and elevate winter decor with timeless elegance. Carefully chosen accents bring depth and visual interest to every corner of your living space. 12. Winter-inspired centerpieces. Create elegant table or mantel centerpieces using candles, wooden trays, greenery, and textured accessories. Layered elements add depth and sophistication to the arrangement. Centerpieces become the focal point of your winter living space, while reflecting a Pottery Barn-inspired aesthetic. They help your home feel thoughtfully styled and seasonally welcoming. 13. Classic neutral rugs. Warm-toned rugs anchor living spaces and add comfort underfoot during colder months. Subtle patterns or textures maintain elegance while creating cozy zones. Rugs help define areas like seating or reading corners in the room. They also enhance the layered, inviting atmosphere that is essential to modern classic winter decor. 14. Vintage-inspired accessories. Antique-style lanterns, distressed frames, or old books add character and nostalgic charm. These touches bring personality while complementing modern decor. Vintage accents create a timeless, curated look for your winter interior. They also add visual interest, storytelling, and a sense of history that enhances the home's warmth. 15. Cozy winter mantel decor. Layer candles, garlands, ceramic accents, and frames on your mantel for a winter-ready focal point. Keep arrangements simple, balanced, and thoughtfully curated. Mantels serve as both decorative and atmospheric highlights in your living space. A well-styled mantel creates a sense of luxury, comfort, and seasonal charm that elevates the entire room. If you enjoyed these winter decor inspirations, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stylish home ideas. Thanks for watching.